It's Saturday, and normally on a Saturday is our epic sales day in the shop, and unfortunately for us this weekend we've got the beach race on Western Seafront, so everyone's gone to that, but also gives me time to sort of plan next week's work and what's coming up next in the workshop. So I thought I'd show you the oak table is nearing the final stages, and we're going to put this on the bench and flatten it with our sledge system, and then final sanding and make the oak legs, which I'll show you next week. And the elm table, I'll just move this out of the way now, you've seen that. So the elm table is currently on the bench over there, and letting the resin gods do their work, and hopefully it will dry soon. And yes, today we've had a good day in the sales shop with a few really interesting projects coming up. I'll just show you the next one. This one is going to be a oak burr outside table with 4 bar stools type chairs all made together with oak burr seating, English oak, solid oak legs for the table as well. And in here they're having sort of like a galaxy pink metallic resin around the whole rectangle. So I've got to make a moulding for that, and then we can do the resin pour. But before we do the resin pour, we've got to do a lot of work to cut all the rot out and flatten it on the sledge system, and then final sand and put it in its finished oil so that it's ready for the resin pour. So quite a bit to do next week, quite a busy boy. So yeah, lots of exciting projects coming up here at Western Timber and RHT Carpentry, and I just thought I'd quickly show you something else I use for the flattening. Is this bit here on the end of my festival router. Now this thing here is made by Trend, and as you can see it is humongously wide. It's about 38mm wide, and you can take quite a lot of material off of that. But the same thing, I have to run it really low. I'm on a speed setting of 3 on that, just to stop the vibration through the tool itself. And that's what I use in my flattening. So yeah, a really busy week next week. Thanks for liking my videos so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, pressing the button, and let's spread the woodworking community across the UK and the rest of the world. And thanks for watching my videos so far. I hope you like my new pod. I hope you can see my beautiful face. I've not taken my bobble hat off because the new light would definitely shine off my bald head. So that's one for the ladies. Have a good day guys, have a good weekend, and I'll see you back next week. Take it easy.